Yo, Full Stack is back, and I think this is maybe the fourth or fifth video, but we're going to talk about switch statements. So switch statements are pretty powerful. It kind of gets rid of like super long nested ifs, but let's just jump right into it. So first of all, we kind of want some sort of variable, so let's just say an age, and let's just default it to 18. All right, we'll say it's 15, okay? So now let's actually make a switch statement. So you're going to want to put switch and then the condition. So age, some sort of condition. We're checking age. And then inside of here, you can have something called a case. So the first case, so not the first case, but the first case we're making is going to be a case for age. So 18, 21, you can use this in any sense. So let's just say case 18. Then let's do something. So let's see out. You are of legal age. Okay, and then we could probably end the line there. Now let's make another case. Let's say 10. And then you do it like this. See out. You are very young and cannot drive. Okay, now let's make one more case. So case 21, and let's see out. You can legally drink in the United States. And let's also end the line. And end the line here. Okay, and then another thing that's important inside of a switch statement is also the default. So if none of these cases ever hit, then let's do this. See out. No cases match. Okay, and then we could probably also end the line. Okay, and so now we have our switch statement. So we have our condition. So we're going to be using age. So whatever the age number is here, let's look through it and see what it is. So if you're 18, you're of legal age, so you can smoke. Well, it's been changed now, and let's just say if you're 10, you're very young and you can't drive. And if the age is 21, we will say that you can legally drink in the United States. And if we don't match any of these cases, we're going to go to the default. So, your backup settings. So, which will have no cases match. So let's try it with 15. So technically this should just default, right? Because it doesn't match any of our statements here. So no cases match. So now what if you were 21? What is it going to tell us now? So it says you can legally drink in the United States and then no cases match, which should not happen. Okay, so I made a silly mistake. I forgot to explain break. So basically, in your in your switch statement, you actually want to break your line. So break out of the switch statement once you actually reach something. So if you're 18, break it. If you're 10, break it after you do something, of course. So that way, it doesn't continue and find other cases like the default. So once you break out of it, once you actually find your exact switch statement, you should see that you are of legal age. And then if we go to 21, we should be legally able to drink. And if we are too old for anything, then no cases match. So a little mistake by me, but I think you get the point. They're really powerful. They kind of replace a lot of nested ifs and all sorts of, they kind of just come in handy when you need to do something like really specific to a switch statement. So thanks for watching. I think episode 6 is going to be coming out soon. And make sure to subscribe. See you later.